A few months remain till the release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and the rumors are already rife. There's a lot of exciting information out there for fans of foldable phones, so let's sum up everything we currently know about Samsung's next major release. The Z Fold 7 is expected to be announced in July if Samsung follows its customary strategy. It is fair to assume that history will repeat itself because they unveiled the Z Fold 6 in July 2024 and the Z Fold 5 in July 2023. To support this, trustworthy leaker Ice Universe stated that Samsung is planning an event in July that may also include some bone conduction headphones. Mark your calendars. Although Samsung hasn't formally unveiled the Z Fold 7, leakers and Android headlines have collaborated to produce some renders based on insider information, and based on what we can see, the Fold 7 is improving upon the device rather than reinventing it. This is how it compares with the Z Fold 6. When unfurled, the measurements are 158.4 by 143.000 by 4.5 mm, which makes it 1.1 mm thinner than the Z Fold 6. A more pleasant typing and viewing experience may result from the outside screen stated 11 mm bigger dimensions. Speaking of cameras, the rear of the device has a triple lens arrangement that is similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design and has a 200-megapixel lens this time. We do not yet have precise specifications, but based on Samsung's previous behavior, the Z Fold 7 is likely to run on the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip as the S25 Ultra. In addition to the size changes, leakers Satsuma Digital claims the Fold 7 will have a better screen, an improved hinge, a more optimized internal structure, and finally, better water and dust resistance. You can anticipate flagship-tier performance that is excellent for gaming, multitasking, and everything else until Samsung surprises us with a Dimensity chip or an Exynos revival. According to some reports, the Z Fold 7 will continue to use the 4400 mAh battery from its predecessor, and charging speeds will not alter. Battery life is also not anticipated to change. An intriguing twist is that Samsung may be doing rid of the digitizer that powers the S Pen on the Fold series. ET News reports that the business is investigating an alternative technology that would resemble Apple's Pencil in that it uses a pen that transmits a sign rather than a built-in digitizer. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.